Hey, this is Aiden with Workman Firearms. Today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble your Smith & Wesson M&P 9 Shield EZ. First thing you want to do when you come up to any firearm is make sure that it's clear. Remove that source of ammunition, rack that slide to the rear, physically and visually inspect that chamber, inspect the magazine wall, then once more physically and visually inspect that chamber. Firearm's clear. With the slide locked to the rear, you're going to push your takedown lever into the 6 o'clock position, just like so. Push down on your slide stop and ride your slide forward. Firearm's going to break down into 2 separate components. Put that frame down. Pull out your recoil spring. Push your barrel forward. Pull it towards you. Barrel will slide out. Now your firearm has been completely disassembled and is field stripped. To reassemble, we're going to do it in reverse order. 2 things to make note of. At any time when you're taking off your slide or putting it back on, at no time can you engage your grip safety. If you engage your grip safety at any time, it will not allow you to put your slide back on or take it off. When putting your recoil spring in, make sure the crescent moon is facing up and that the sides are flat. Pick up your slide, insert your barrel, lock it to the rear, pick up your recoil spring, make sure the crescent moon is facing up. Using your thumb, apply slight pressure. It'll lock right into your barrel lug. Pick up your frame. Align the slide up with the guide rails. At no time are you going to engage the grip safety. Slowly slide your slide back on. From here, push up on your slide stop and rack the slide to the rear. Engage your takedown lever. Send the slide forward. From here, we're going to perform a functions check. Rack the slide once, press the trigger, hold it to the rear, rack the slide a second time, just gently release the trigger, listen for the reset. Your firearm has just been reassembled and functions checked. Thank you.